Here's how to create your Google Docs credential in n8n from the ground up. First, navigate to Credentials. Search for Google Docs. Here, you will see your existing Google Docs credential. On the upper right corner, click Create Credential. Search for Google Docs, then click the result from the drop-down menu. Click Continue, and a window will appear showing your OAuth redirect URL along with the client ID and client secret fields that we will fill out later. Click the OAuth redirect URL to copy it. We will use this later to get our client ID and client secret. Now go to console.cloud.google.com. Click the project on the upper left corner next to the Google Cloud logo. A window will appear showing your existing projects. Here, you can select a project or create a new one. Assuming this is your first time, we will create a new project. You will be redirected to a page where you can enter your desired project name. Let's name it n8n Credential Demo. Leave the parent resource as No Organization, then click Create. Once created, you'll be redirected back, but still inside the previous project. To switch, click the project selector again, then select the project we just created. Now you are inside your new project. Click the three-line hamburger icon in the upper left corner to open the sidebar. Navigate to APIs and Services. From the sidebar, click OAuth Consent Screen. You will be redirected to the OAuth Platform Overview page. Click Get Started. Now we will configure the project. Under App Information, set the name to n8n Credential Demo. For user support email, select your email. Click Next. Under Audience, select External, then click Next. Under Contact Information, enter your email. Click Next. Agree to the user data policy, then click Continue. And finally, click Create. One more step to make sure this works. Go to Audience. Scroll down to Test Users, add your email, then click Save. Now authentication setup is complete. To get your client ID and client secret, click the three-line icon again, go to APIs and Services, then click Credentials. You've already done the hard part, and you only need one credential for all Google services. On the Credentials page, click Create Credentials. From the drop-down, select OAuth Client ID. This is where we generate the client ID and client secret. On the next page, choose the application type. Select Web Application since n8n is a web app. Now fill in the required fields. Name, n8n Credential Demo. Scroll down to Authorized Redirect URIs. Click Add URI, then paste the URI you copied earlier from n8n. Click Create and wait for the process to complete. A window will appear showing your client ID and client secret. Copy them and save them. You can use sticky notes. You can also download the JSON file containing both values if you prefer. Now you're all set. Go back to n8n and paste your credentials. After pasting your credentials, click Sign In. Click Sign In. A window will pop up. Choose your account to sign in. Google may show a message saying the app isn't verified. This is normal. Click Continue anyway, since this is your own app. Another window will appear asking for permission to allow the URI to access your Google account. Click Continue. After that, you will see a confirmation that the n8n connection is successful. Your Google Docs is now connected to n8n. Close n8n confirmation. On the upper left, you can rename your credentials so you won't get confused. Close the credential window. We're not done yet. We still need to make sure the Google Docs API is enabled. Go back to the Google Cloud console. Under APIs and Services, select Enabled APIs and Services. The APIs and Services page will open. Click the plus Enable APIs and Services button near the top. You will be redirected to the API library. Click the search bar, then search for Google Docs API. When it appears in the dropdown, select it. This will open the Google Docs API product details page. Click the Enable button. Now you're all set. You can now use Google Docs in your n8n automations. Hey, if you made it all the way to the end, you're actually built different. Seriously, you deserve something for that. So here's the deal. I'm giving you my desktop apps for free. Yeah, these are the same tools I could have easily locked behind a paywall, but nah, I got you. All you need to do is make sure you're subscribed. Check the description below, join our Discord, and claim your apps. And this is just the beginning. I'll be updating these tools based on your suggestions, so you're literally part of building them. Don't forget to turn on notifications for more n8n setup tutorials and workflow magic. This is Midnight User, and I'll see you in the next one.